In this video, I'll show you how to verify your age on TikTok. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, we are on TikTok support page. So this information is verified by TikTok themselves. First of all, you're going to log into your TikTok account and you're going to look for the service that you want to verify or the service that you want to use that's blocking you, and you're going to use that to verify. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use the appeal process. Now, TikTok says what you need to do is you need to open the notification in the TikTok app. You're going to tap appeal to begin the process, and you're going to follow the instructions. They'll notify you of the results. Now, it says depending on your age and location, you need to confirm your age through one of the following options: selfie with ID if age 16 years and older. Now, to appeal with selfie with ID, you need a photo of your government issued ID. Now, this is usually the case for most of the verifications. You don't need a photo, and you need a selfie of you holding the same government ID and a piece of paper clearly and legibly stating a unique code that TikTok will send to you. Now, you may cover parts of your ID that you have your legal right to or obligation to do so. And if you're aged between 16 and 17, you definitely need to ask your parent or guardian. Now, what your guardian or parent need to do is they can confirm that you are over 13 years of age, and then they'll receive an email to confirm your date of birth also. Now, you need the photo with the guardian or parent also. The photo that includes you and your parent or guardian who is over 25 years old. If your parent or guardian is not available, you can ask another trusted adult who is over 25 years old. Now, your parent or guardian or trusted adult must be looking at the camera and holding a piece of paper with the following items clearly written on them and legibly. So, the title of the paper is going to be TikTok proof of age. It's going to be your date of birth with the unique code that they'll send during the process. Now, that's how to verify your age on TikTok. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.